Okay, today we're going to be practicing isometric drawing. This one's a little bit different. Connect the corner to corner and connect to the middle. So this is a little bit close to the trimetric. What we're going to do is, I remember doing the T with you. Today we're going to create either this is a Z or IN. Okay, so it's creating the slope and then it continues going underground. Okay, so let's try that. It's a little bit different techniques. So I already prepared the lines. So this should be 30 degree, close enough because we cannot use the other tools rather than this. So remember, always I use the graph paper and create a N or Z. So this is the same thing. If you created N, connecting the middle, and there's N. If you just tilted it, that's a Z. Okay. So applying that, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. We're going to use the column, so you could go this way, N or Z, right? So I'm going to create a box first to show you what happened. I'm going to create a center line. So that would be the center. So I'm going to do it really light. Hope you can see it. And it's going to be more thinner. Do you see this? Because it's angled view, right? And if you want to tilt it this, create a box first. That's the first step. If we raised it. So isometric drawing, it's convenient because all you have to do is just corner to corner, then you don't have to worry about angling it correctly, like a trimetric. Dimetric is same. So now we have an N block raised. This whole thing is going to be changed because we're going to be tilted the view. So how to tilt the view? Connect these lines. And that line to this. And again, crossing the line. And that line is the last one. So now you see that the whole thing on the top is tilted down this way. So if I erase this one, you will see it better. Right? So now the whole thing is tilted. Do you see it? All right, now you have to reposition things. This will remain the same. But if you use this one, the problem is before you had 1, 2, 3 boxes. And then now, since you tilted it, it looks like there's what? 4 boxes. So if you want to make evenly, what you want to do is you need to cut it there. And then ignore this part and then raise the surface a little bit. So that's the tricky part. Like a lot of people connect this and then, oh, proportionally it's completely changed. So that's the confusing part. So if you want to honor the proportion correctly, then you draw the line down. And same thing here. Now make sure that you create a vertical line. And then this will be the end of that structure, right? So if I bring it back, so that's what happened here. Do you see this continuous line? I usually leave the lines off for you to see what happened. So this connected lines, right? This is a previous box. And then this longer one, we had to cut it. So that's what's happening here. Good? So I'm going to connect it and start making it darker so you can see it better. Now, since it's shifted, what you want to do is this part, you need to re-establish the center, right? So that's, oops, I made a wrong line, sorry. So that's the center. No, supposed to be that one. Sorry about that. My mistake. Okay. So using that line, and then we establish the center line again here. And then this is the line. Both of them, when you connect it, then we know where the line should go. And then here, that's the center line. Then vertical line again, parallel to the edge. Same thing, parallel to the edge. And then establish the bottom. And then this is the parts that needs to parallel to that. And then it's going to be that. And then there we go. Your N or Z is done. Oh, again. Always something I forget. There we go. All right. So next video, I'm going to do a little bit of value for you to start. Okay. All right. See you in the next video.